Sonic.
Get off my lawn, you know, dude. What I tell you, stop knocking on my door.
Darkwing, stop it. He wants you to stop knocking.
Stop it.
Hey. Hey, you guys got another visitor.
Stop knocking on my door, boy.
They don't want to open the door.
You knock one
I don't know
more
why.
time, I swear I'ma smack your booty. What?
Hey, are you still there?
Get off my lawn, boy.
Can I come in?
No, you waiting up to come in my house.
Okay.
Boy, if you knock one more time. Boy, if you don't get off my lawn, I'ma smack you right in the face.
Okay.
Run, Sonic, run.
Uh-oh. Watch out, there's been an accident.
Boy, you better.
You think he's okay? Hey. How you doing? Hey, you want some wood? Enjoy. I got it for free, basically. And I'm not gonna use it, so you can have it. Hey! How you doing? How's it going, buddy?